Carscoops.com says, well, used car vehicles fell 4.2% in June. I think they're still too high. Uncle Schwarzenegger, what do you think about all these car prices? Yeah, I think so too, Uncle Schwarzenegger. So, for example, sorry, I'm still trying to wake up. For example, in 2019, the average price of a one-year-old car was $27,000. Now it's $46,000. What a bargain. In 2019, the average price of a 5-year-old car was about $18,000. Now it's $27,000. And if you're thinking, hey, I'll buy a 10-year-old car, like what I did, I took a chance. The average price of a 10-year-old car in 2019 was $10,728. Right now, it's almost $15,000. These prices are unsustainable. They're not based in reality, yet people are still buying cars. Now, there are ways to avoid this. This is something we can talk about in a future date. But look, there are many factors here, such as inflation, demand, the coronavirus pandemic. But these prices are simply unsustainable. Be careful out there. If you really need a car, try to find a Toyota or Honda. They're generally more reliable because you'll probably keep your car longer. And you may not be so much upside down. That's when you owe more than what the car is worth, especially if you got a loan. And that's a double whammy. Be careful. I'll catch you on the next one. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. Uncle Schwarzenegger, any last comments? Thank you. Goodbye.